All right, guys, this is a simplifying rational expressions problem. So when you're simplifying these, all it really means is to factor and cancel whatever you can. So on the top, we can't factor 3x plus 2, but on the bottom, I can factor that, or at least try. So there's 3 terms and a number in front of x squared, which means I'm going to try to do this with bottoms up. So I'm going to come down here and factor it just to kind of get out of the way there, which means we multiply the 15 over here. So we get x squared plus 19x plus 90. Then we factor this like normal. So we need to multiply and get 90, add up to 19, and that would be 10 and 9. Don't forget to go back and divide by the 15. Reduce the fractions. So we have x plus, this divides by 5, sorry. So we get 2 over 3. Here we can divide these by 3. So we get 3 over 5. Bring the bottom back up. So we have 3x plus 2 and 5x plus 3. So now I'm going to insert that back into the problem. So we had 3x plus 2 on the top, and we factored the bottom into 3x plus 2 times 5x plus 3. Now, if you notice, 3x plus 2 is on the top and the bottom, so we can cancel that. But 5x plus 3 is still on the bottom. It stays there. Okay, if everything cancels on the top, you're just going to put a 1, and then that would be your answer.